we are heading down to Los Angeles from Oregon. We're going to pick up a machine tomorrow morning. That's going to come back up to Portland, Oregon. And we are finally back in the Mega Slab. It's running good. Everything's good. It went in for just a transmission. This truck has 590,000 miles on it, and my heat exchanger failed. I paid a shop to put the coolant bypass on the truck, and they never actually put the coolant bypass on the truck. So that really sucked. You know, this whole time I thought I had a bypass, and I didn't. Alright, we're here on top of the Grapevine. We've driven about 140 miles from the pickup location. Got a little snowy caps here. Tarp job is not pretty, but it's already made it 140 miles. It's triple layered. So I don't have my semi-truck tarps with me because this wasn't supposed to be a tarp job. And then the weather turned real bad. So that's what it is. Not pretty. It'll ride. I figured I'd hop on here because the video just kind of ends off. And yes, I did get a level 1 in California, a roadside inspection, because they thought that machine would be overweight, but I was 500 pounds within my weight limit for that trailer. Anyways, the machine was successfully delivered. As you saw, it was placed in the shop and everything. Everything went well. Happy customer. I'll be doing some more of those for them, and I'm gonna work on getting better at this and better videoing, better editing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying this out. I haul a lot of interesting stuff, go a lot of interesting places. People like to see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna try to post more and make better videos, better content.